Hi, this is Joyce Farrell. Let's take a look at Boolean expressions and how they're used in decisions. Here's a selection structure. With a selection structure, you ask a question. If the answer to the question is yes, you take one course of action. And if the answer to the question is no, you take a different course of action. The question in a selection structure is a Boolean expression. A Boolean expression is one in which the result is one of two values, true or false. If you're talking to a human, you can ask a question like, when is your birthday? The human can answer, August 3rd. When you're talking to a computer and say, when is your birthday? The computer cannot answer that question. The computer internally can only answer questions that are Boolean expressions that result in yes or no. So you can ask a computer, is your birthday June 24th? And the computer can say no or yes, as the case may be. If you want to find out when the computer's birthday is, it could take a lot of questions. You might say, is your birthday January 1st? The computer says no. Is it January 2nd? No. Is it January 3rd? No. Arg! This could take a long time to find the birthday, especially if it's in August or September. Fortunately, there are 6 comparison operators that you can use to create Boolean expressions. Not only can you see if one thing is equal to another, is your birthday August 3rd, but you can see if one thing is greater than another. Does your birthday come after August 3rd? Or see if it's less than something else. Or you can compare two values and see if one is greater than or equal to the other one, or if one is less than or equal to the other one. And finally, you can ask a question, are two things not equal to each other? So, to find out the computer's birthday, perhaps using the less than or equal to operator, you might start in the middle and say, is your birthday less than or equal to July 1st? Does it come before July 1st in the year? And supposing the computer's birthday is August 3rd, the computer says no. So then you might ask, okay then, it's not before July 1st. Is it before or equal to October 1st? And the computer then, assuming it's in August, might say yes. And then you might say, okay then, we've narrowed it down. Is your birthday less than or equal to August 15th? And assuming it's August 3rd, the computer would say yes, and so on. By using the other comparison operators, you can ask questions much more efficiently than if you always had to ask equal to questions. Boolean expressions can become even more complicated. You can combine questions. You might ask someone, is your birthday not December 19th? Or is your birthday in April or May? Or is your birthday September 2nd and does that fall on a weekend and are you free that night? We'll talk more about or and operators and how they work in another video. Thanks for watching.